Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt Builds. I'm going to continue with the Matilda British Infantry Tank Mark II-A by Tamiya. Might as well get this done, carry on with it until it's finished, and then I can start doing hopefully the diorama. What I've had to do with that, where the grass was hanging off, I've cut it off because tomorrow I'm going to put Fablon going round the bottom like you have on the Titanic and the Missouri, but I keep meaning to buy it from B&M's and I keep forgetting it. So with that said, let's get on with this build. And what I've done, I've put like a camera holder up there on the wall, so my camera's up on the wall now, so it gives me a bit of room here. I've kind of sorted my bench out here, sorted it all out, put paints away and put some figures in a tin, so it gives me a bit of room to work on. And I've got my trusty sprue cutters here, glue, and that's about it I need. So we're on stage 5, which I'll show you what I'm doing. The sun's shining in a bit. I'm just going to put the jockey wheel assembly together, and then I can start adding all the wheels, well, the chassis, onto the this. So I need A sprue and D sprue. There's A sprue and D sprue. So we need D71 and 73. So there's D71, 71 and 73. And 73 and A28. So that's B sprue, so I'll better cut this off here. So I don't need that yet. Just A sprue. 28, there it is. So I've got to do both sides anyway, and I need the jockey wheel, which I think it would be the big one or the small one. I better check back a bit. Yeah. Well, it's certainly not that one, it's this one. So there'll be 2 of them. There we are. So what we need to do, put this on here like so, because the other one would have been too big to go on anyway. Come to think of it, where did I put them? Yeah, it'd have been too big, miles too big, wouldn't have gone on, so, which is a good thing. So I'll put that together like so. and it's turned out nice again, but we've got a weather warning coming in tonight. Put that on there again. Make sure that's facing that way with the short end there. Get hold of this, which will be going on there like that. Put that on there. Bit awkward this. Put that on there like so. So it fits snugly like that. Now I'll just get the glue. But keep that loose. And this has come out. Put that there, right. And I need A28 again. And that's B. D70 and 72. I'll get D70 off first. And I need a screw, wherever the hell I put it. There it is. A28 again. A28, C sprue, D, A. For a second I thought I had a sprue missing. Well, today I thought I'd go to Salford instead of tomorrow, but it's going to be really bad tomorrow. So we'll get the idler wheel, get this part here, which goes on there. So we'll have to do the same again. Put that on there, get this piece here. And that facing that way, that facing that way, so it's a blank. I'll put that on here like so. Actually, I'll just get that on there. Put that on there. Put that there and leave it to stick. For the time being, anyway. Now we need these parts. All these. Woof woof. And these will be going on here. Like so. And get the other one on here. Get the smaller one. Which will be going on here. That, and get one of these. Which will go on there like that and there. Just got to get it on right. No. Should go in that one there. That's it. So it's like that. So I'll do the same round the other side. So I just put glue on here and on the inside here. Just that. Saves I'm mucking about. And then just redo it. And the same again here. Like that. And this has come out again. Why does it keep coming out? Right. I hope this is right. Yeah. in there. Put that on there. Put that in there. That's it. And that's that done on that side and that side as well. So that is stage 6 completed. Now I need on stage 7 well, stage 7 I need A24, 2 of. You know, they put one in each sprue. Why can't you just put them on one sprue instead of the other one? Right. Nice little tank, this. Right. A24, go at the back. Facing down. As it goes on like that. Yeah. Okay. Like so. Just like that, I hope. And stage 8. Suspension cover. So I just put that to one side. This is the suspension cover here and here. Is E-sprue in it? Yep. So I want E1, which is this. And I want B7. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. One, 2, 3, 4. And these are just attaching suspension cover. Don't say what these are. It says just add them 5. So I need 5 of them for this. And these will be going in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I need 6. I'll get the other one off in a minute. off. And that's all them on. Now we need the other lot off. Let's cut this sprue. So I'll get all these off. So that first one was E1, so let's put that to one side, and this one is E3. That's all them on there. Now we need the sprockets. From the look of it. Don't need to glue them. And we need... Have I missed something out? I think I've missed something off. Spare with me a minute, guys. I think I've missed something off. I'll be right back. Yes, I did miss a piece, two pieces off. This part here and this part here to hold these wheels on. How could I miss that? Still. So that goes on there like that. That goes on there like that. Like so. And then I get the other one, which go on like that. Right. Now we put these on here. So that's E1 and that's E3. Let's see, make sure it's the right way round. This one here. This. It says don't glue the wheels on. So that goes on there like that. But the thing is though, how are you supposed to get the track? Ah, right, yeah. It's alright, no, I'm just going daft in my old age. And come down here. I don't think I'm with it today, to be honest. Okay, just put a bit over there, a bit more here, so it stays on. So that's that part on. Get you back on. You know, you'll probably end up falling off again. And then we get this piece on. Like so. And come down with the glue. And that's how we're looking. You know, I'll be glad when I get the track on. Stop these from coming off. Right, so stage 10 is the track. Even though we got the plastic one, but I'm not doing the plastic track, not a chance in hell, because they're not very good. Right, so I'll just turn the page over. And get this track on, because otherwise I'll never get it on. So what I'll do, I'll pause the camera, get them both on, and I'll show you the result.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, what I've had to do with this one, I had to glue it. I might have to glue this one yet, I don't know, see how it goes. But that other one I had to glue because it would not join together. But that's the track on. Even though we got like the plastic track here that you put all together, but there's no way I was doing that, it would have took too long. Now we need the upper hull, underside. And this is where I've got to do a lot of drilling, from the look of it. And I hate drilling into models, but for the parts you've got to do it. Let's get this flash off here. I wish they wouldn't put cross member of flash on here. Because it could affect the turret turning. knife to get that bit out. Okay. Right. Yeah, so I've got all these holes here to drill. These here, one in here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have to be careful which holes. I think it's the smaller ones. Yeah, these 4 here, 2 here and 3 there. So I'll get them drilled and I'll be back with you shortly. Okay guys, that's the holes drilled. There. And that took some doing. Now I need C23 and these here. And from the look of it, I think it's these here. So I'll get 2 of these out. Two of them out. C23. Hate it when they all get jammed together. Put that on there. C23. Sprue cutter. G23, 2 of. C23, C1. Off here. What time is it now? 10:15. Is that what it is? No, 11:20. Didn't realise it was that late. Consider I've not been in here that long. So get this, and this will be going on here like so. We put in there like that. And the glue in there. Get that into place. Bit fiddly. Get the next one in. I think I'd better put some glue on there first because it won't go in otherwise. Like that. Right, so now these go in here. Two of in there, and this in here. Like that. It says don't glue, but if I don't glue it, it'll end up falling off, so best to glue it than not at all. Yeah, it's perfect. So that's that in place. And just put a bit of glue around the edges. Like that. Okay. Right. Stayed on. I need D27 and D28. '27, '28. God knows what these are for. Well, that'll be going on there like that. Right, so perfect. And D29 and D30. And the same again. And a bit of flash off there. Put it in there. Okay, that's that on. And B1 and B4. B1. B4. Which goes on here. Make 2. H2 more, two more. Okay, around that way, put that facing that way. A hoop. So that's 2 of them made, so that's stage 13 done. Aha. Now I know why. Now I know why. Need the holes drilling. So it goes on there like that. So they're on like that. And these two pieces that I've just done, this one goes on here, like so. And glue it from underneath. And put that one here. That one there like that. So that's it. Right, what I'll do, I'll leave it at that now because there's a lot of parts to go on there. So let's say we've done from stage 5 to stage 13 complete. Put that on there for now. So that's it for today for this until tomorrow. Well guys, really enjoyed that. I've done quite a bit considering there was not a lot to be done. At least we've got the wheels on and the tracks. Looks really, really good. I wonder if it'll move. Probably unlikely. No, doesn't move. I thought it would. And also we got this done, well, part of it. This is stage 14. So just say from stage 5 to stage 13. And tomorrow I'll be continuing with it. Does take quite a while. So it's going to look really good that when it's done. And especially when it's painted. I really do need to get the colours I need. I'm going to have to have a look see if I've got the light blue for it. I think I have actually. Yeah, I have. Excellent. Brilliant stuff. XF23, which is this one here. So I'll just check. Yeah, XF23. I'm not sure about the XF10 flat brown, but I might have it, and I've got the desert yellow. So, yeah, I'll be doing it that colour. At least I've got the pinks. But I'll have to check for the brown though, just in case. If not, I'm going to have to use like another brown, but I think it should be fine. I just hope that blue hasn't gone off, but there again, I've not even opened it yet, so at least that's a bonus. And I've got to put masking tape down, well, on it, to mark it off where it's going to go. So I'll have to, and that's going to be a bit of a ball ache. A problem, should I say, sorry. Because it's got to go on the inside of this when it goes on the side of the tank on both sides. I might be able to do it with a fine brush, but yeah, but it's going to get painted that colour anyway. So, well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be doing this again. I'd like to get a model finished now, even though it's only a small one. Even though I've still got to look for the part for the Enterprise, I really need to get back on that. But if the weather improves, I'm going to get this lot out, move that shelf up there, and put that diorama over there, and then I can get the Enterprise here once I've tidied up a bit. So I'm going to get going, guys. I'm going to get some dinner. It's 11 o'clock, well, 25 to 12 o'clock. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to that notification bell for future videos. So until tomorrow, guys, for the Matilda tank, you all stay safe, take care. I'll see you then. Bye for now.